Welcome to part 87 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, visiting someone's home. Thanks for having me. Example. Thanks for having me. Your home is beautiful. What a lovely home. Example. What a lovely home. I really like it. Please make yourself at home. Example. Please make yourself at home and relax. Can I take off my shoes? Example. Can I take off my shoes before coming in? Would you like some tea? Example. Would you like some tea or coffee? Everything looks wonderful. Example. Everything looks wonderful. Thank you for inviting me. I had a wonderful time. Example. I had a wonderful time with your family. Thank you for your hospitality. Example. Thank you for your hospitality. I really enjoyed my visit. Please visit me sometime. Example. Please visit me sometime. I'd love to have you over. Mini conversation. Host, welcome. Please make yourself at home. Guest, thanks for having me. What a lovely home. Host, would you like some tea or coffee? Guest, tea, please. Everything looks wonderful. Host, I'm glad you came. Please visit me sometime again. Daily tip. When you visit someone's home, it's polite to compliment the home, thank the host, and express your appreciation before you leave. Good manners help build strong friendships. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're visiting a friend's home for the first time. Thank your friend, compliment the house, ask if you should take off your shoes, enjoy some tea, thank the host for their hospitality, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 88. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.